Subject EVS 2, Standard 4th. Hello students, I am Meera Singh and in this video we will learn one interesting lesson. Before I should start the lesson, I want to ask you few questions. Which city do we live in? Yes, we all live in Mumbai city. In which state does Mumbai belongs to? Yes, it is in Maharashtra state. So now here you can see Maharashtra map. Here is Nashik, Ahmednagar, Pune, Thane, and also you can see Mumbai, etc. All this place belongs to Maharashtra. Maharashtra has many things to offer you. Let us see what are. We have had great kings and brave people in this land. There were great scholars and wise saints who lived here. We have great temples, amazing caves, Ajanta cave. So students, have you visited Ajanta cave? It is very nice picnic spot and very strong forts. Forts means a strong building that is used for military defense. There is a story of gods Ram and Sita. It is understood that Ram and Sita lived in exile for 14 years in the forest of Maharashtra. Rukmani was the wife of Lord Krishna and she was Maharashtrian as she belonged to the state of Maharashtra. The story of Maharashtra political condition. Long ago, the city of Devgiri was the main city of Maharashtra. Devgiri was protected by the Sahyadri mountain on one side and Arabian Sea on the other. A young saint called Jnaneshwar lived in Maharashtra. When he was 16 years old, he wrote a book called Jnaneshwari. The book has a lot of wisdom in it. It teaches people how to live and behave. People of Maharashtra used to follow that advice and live happily. Jnaneshwar lived in Ahmednagar. Ahmednagar is in Maharashtra. All was well in Maharashtra. King Ramdev Rao was ruling Devgiri and the whole Maharashtra was happy. And then it happened. Alauddin Khilji attacked. They killed, they robbed, and completely destroyed the city. Alauddin Khilji took all the money, the jewels, and the princess of Devgiri. They lost everything. This took place on 6th February 1294, and after that it was a dark, dark time for the whole Maharashtra. So, these foreign rulers, who were called the Sultans, started ruling over Maharashtra. These foreigners had been attacking and fighting in the rest of India for the last 500 years. Maharashtra was in great trouble. So many years passed like this. In the rule of these sultans, people totally forget the teaching of the saints who taught the people how to be happy and how to live a peaceful life. They became used to suffering and being insulted all the time. So here we have seen sultans was ruling over Maharashtra, and now we will see the more about the rulers of Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj was a great warrior and king who ruled over most of Maharashtra. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Medieval period means Middle Age. The medieval period lasted until the start of the 16th century. And now, which century we are? Yes, 21st century. Now, we are in 21st century. Even in those days, there were kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Benevolent means kind, friendly, and helpful to others. So, students, who was ruling in the north of Maharashtra? Yes, Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north. And who was ruling in the south of Maharashtra? Yes, Emperor Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar in the south. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj commanded great respect, and also it is followed today. Shivaji Maharaj set up Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self government. It means our own rules. That means before Shivaji Maharaj, someone else was ruling over Maharashtra. A large part of Maharashtra was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. So you can see there were many rulers ruling over different parts of Maharashtra, and these rulers were not good. They failed to look after the welfare of the people. It was a terrible time for the people of Maharashtra. The rulers kept fighting with each other for more land and money, and the people were troubled too much. They were scared and not safe in their own homes and cities. People were looted and troubled. Looted means steal goods from a place during a war. There was injustice everywhere. People could not celebrate festivals or worship their gods. They were always scared. The rules of Shivaji Maharaj. When Shivaji Maharaj took over, there were lot of famines. Famines means a lack of food over a long period of time in a large area that can cause the death of many people. So people did not even have enough to eat. There were leaders like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who were officers of the king. The Deshmukhs and Deshpandes were appointed to look after the land, but even they were not interested in doing anything good for the people. They too kept trying to make more money and kept fighting with each other all the time. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this and decided to change things. He first made Deshmukhs and Deshpandes stop fighting against each other and troubling the people. He then fought against the kings who troubled the people and set up his own kingdom. It was a good kingdom. No one was scared or troubled. The rules were fair to everyone. Shivaji Maharaj was nice to both Hindus and Muslims. This kingdom was called Hindvi Swaraj. Hindvi Swaraj was based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to the people of all castes and religions. About 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj was born, there were many saints in Maharashtra. These saints did a lot of work that helped Shivaji Maharaj later. Now, evaluation part. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First one. No distinction between the Hindus and Muslims was made by Dash. Yes, by Shivaji. Second one. Shivaji Maharaj established Dash in Maharashtra. Yes, Swaraj in Maharashtra. Question number 2. Match the following. Emperor of Vijayanagar, Krishna Deva Rai. Sultan of Ahmednagar, Nizam Shah. Sultan of Bijapur, Adil Shah. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one. Akbar, the Mughal emperor, established Hindvi Swaraj in the north. Yes, true. Second one. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Madhya Pradesh. Yes, it is false. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Question number 4. Answer the following. Name the kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar in the south looked after the welfare of their subjects. What noble tasks did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. And the last is your assignment part. Write few lines about how do you celebrate Maharashtra Day. So students, I hope this explanation has helped you to understand the lesson better. Thank you.